Hi, this is Jennifer Monahan with Health One Technologies. This video is going to give you a demonstration of a procedure and medication administration form that we have developed specifically for GE Centricity. Along with the demonstration of the form itself, you're also going to see some add-on products that we've incorporated, including things like electronic signature capture for the patient's consent of this procedure, and also barcode scanning solution for documentation of the medications. The form can be used as either a standalone form, meaning it can be its own specific visit type, or it could also be incorporated as part of your office visit. Just depends on your workflow and how you want to manage that. You'll notice that the form, the first thing that I do is I choose the ordering provider. Now this can be defaulted in based on the encounter type, or you could make the workflow that the nurse or MA rooming the patient selects that. There's lots of different workflows. When the provider is selected, they are going to be tied to a specialty. So in this case, as I chose provider 10, orthopedics and procedure injection came down. However, when I look at this, I have different options available. And this again depends on the specialty that you're practicing or what you're doing for that. So if you'll notice that this has orthopedics, I've selected orthopedic procedures, injections. At the bottom in my actual procedure note, the things look very similar to what I would be doing as an orthopedic injection. So maybe I'm doing an injection and an aspiration, for instance. However, if I switch this to dermatology procedure, I'm going to get more things like I'm doing a punch biopsy, I'm removing lesions, so the procedure note itself changes. And again, if I'm doing just standard injections, I just need to document the injection, so the additional information goes away. And then the third thing could also be if I am just doing straight medication administration, giving Tylenol or something along those lines. For the sake of the demo today, I'm going to stick with my ortho procedure and I'm going to give this person a carpal tunnel injection. You'll notice right here a button lights up for me to get the consent for signature. When I click that, it's going to launch for me automatically a form that the patient would sign. So if most of our practices are using a tablet device of some kind to make this happen, so they could just hand the patient the electronic device, whether it be an iPad or another sort of tablet. The patient signs it on the screen and submits that. And that consent's going to then be filed right into your patient record. From there, I'm going to choose my billing diagnosis. This is important so that we can automate the billing of this procedure whenever we're completed with it. And then I'm going to document my medication. Clinically, this may not make sense that I'm giving Demerol for carpal tunnel, but for today's demonstration, that's what I'm going to do. What I did here is I clicked in, I scanned the vial of Demerol because this is offering barcode scanning solution. So when I scanned that vial, I'm going to retrieve the information and it's going to pull in for me my NDC, my lot, my expiration, everything that's necessary to document for that injection. This will also then write back to your inventory. So along with the barcode scanning solution, you not only have the ability to document, but it also controls and manages your inventory for you as well. If you don't have a barcode scanning solution, you would just have to choose to enter this information in manually for any medication that you're given. On the bottom of the screen, I then am basically building my procedure notes. So I'm going to load the defaults. Again, these can be tailored or customized by the practice. I can check anything that is necessary. So maybe I'm giving this in the left wrist. No complications. If I did any aspiration, because I am doing an ortho type procedure, I would document that as well. And then I would just click the button to do my billing and complete my note. So you'll notice that this is in a narrative format, and at the bottom, here's my order. So my billing is going to be completed for the Demerol and the carpal tunnel injection. So as part of the implementation of this form, you will define basically what you want your billing codes to be, and those will be set up on that button. And then if you go to the text of the note and you look at it, you'll be able to see clearly this is the procedure. I can see who it was ordered by, the medications associated with it, the procedure note itself in a narrative format, and anything else that is necessary for the completion of the procedure. Okay, that includes the high-level review of this procedure form. There are many different options and workflows that go along with this. If you would like more information or would like to contact us about implementing it, please visit our website at www.h1tech.com, or you could also reach out to us directly via email at info@h1tech.com. Thanks. Have a great day.